Welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this video tutorial I'm here to show you a quick way to find duplicate entries in an Excel table. Let's not waste any time, this is how to do it. The first step is to define the area in which you want to look for duplicates. Here we will select column B and C. You can also highlight the whole sheet by clicking into the top left hand corner. Next, go to the section Styles and choose Conditional Formatting. Select Highlight Cell Rules and then Duplicate Values. Excel will immediately look for and highlight all the duplicates in the table of any size. If you want to highlight unique values in the table, switch to Unique in the drop-down menu. We can also change the colour of the highlighted data. To do this, go back to Duplicate and then click OK to confirm the choice. To turn off highlighting or duplicates, go back to the Styles and select Conditional Formatting again. Choose Clear Rules and then select Clear Rules from the entire sheet to remove the formatting from the entire spreadsheet. And that's it. If you want to know how to delete duplicates from a table, watch our next video tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like us and subscribe to receive more videos from Sheet Leveler. Learn more from tutorials that will help you use Excel like a boss. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.